guys, how you doing? Today's video is going to be the eye look number 12 from the eyeshadow palette from L'Oreal. The title of this video says everything, right? Okay, so I will show you the shades I will be using for this eye look, and let's start it. Well, today it'll be kind of very simple. I will use this one in my crease, and I will be using the number 1 and the number 7, this one. So it'll be very simple. Okay, I just got, this is not a new brush. This brush was something that I already had, but when I washed it, I washed all my my brushes. For some reason it got all the bristles inside, and when I pushed, I just kind of break it in order to unglue this part of the brush to this part. I unglued it. I push the bristles out again, and I didn't know, and I pressed too hard, and all the bristles went out, and I said, hey, this is great for the crease. And I tested the other day. I just make it, and I look, I didn't post anything, and it was incredible for the crease. I'm sorry, I will just try to zoom you a little bit more so you can see what I'm doing. Is there any difference? Yes, of course it is, but I just, the number 3 shade, I have my notes here. So the number 3 is in the crease, the number 1 and the 7 are those. So the crease is done. I'll do my other eye off camera, and let's apply the number 7. Now I will wet the brush and apply the number 7, 2 halves like I did here, and 2 half this outer 2/3 of the lid. So I will just mainly focus inside the lid. I will try to not. So this is like this one, and I want the metallic punch, so I wanted to leave it like that. I'm so sorry if I get out of focus, but I'm looking at the mirror, not at the phone. And I see the back of the phone here, so that is not like the actual screen. The screen, I can see it like that, and then the camera, and then there is the screen, and like this is the mirror. So I will let it dry a little bit, and I will try to blend the edges and go for the number 1 also wet. Like I have hooded eyes, I will get some transfer between the shade to my this is a bone here. When I look, I don't know if you can see that the lids touches my, so I'm just getting this that is not with any color or anything to just, this is a very everyday look that I do. I don't go for very bold eye looks yet, because I try to keep it very simple, very natural. So let me just grab the other shade, wet it, and yeah. Once this part is blended, I just get wet the first shade. I will pat it like I did in the other eye, and with my finger I will try to blend these two together, like they are the effect of one shade. Oops, sorry. I just saw that. So you might go back and forth until you get the effect you want. Also, you can have the outer third, the inner third with the number 7, and inside just pat this like in the center, and it will just brighten up the look. But I prefer to go like this, so that it will be like a number 13, but I have already done number 13. I just write it down. I wrote it down up until number 15. I want to keep it like that until 15 different eye looks. So, and then of course the other eye looks you can create, that will be great. This is the final look. I just put some mascara. I put this mascara here. I don't know why the people say that it's awful. Gave me, you can see I have the white there. Of course that is almost empty. And I just put this Superstay 24 in the shade Nude Pink. I always forget. This is one new thing. This. Okay, the lipstick just want to go blackest black. It's very tiny. So I have highlighter on, blush. If I am in a good mood, I will just put all that in the description box. But if you don't, I just use this foundation. I set it with this, and the blush is still always the same. I have only 2 blushes still, so it's the combination of the 2 of them, plus always the same contour kit, only the highlighter I didn't contour or anything. So, and the brows, let me just grab it, put this on the brows, and that's it. If you like this eye look, just please thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.